Hey food lovers, welcome to Blog in Good Food. Today we are bringing you a mouth-watering journey of easy and delicious snack recipes you can make at home. So let's dive right in. Let's start with some wholesome, healthy snack recipes that are both nutritious and delicious. First up, we have fruitful delights from juicy berry parfaits to frozen banana bites. These snacks will satisfy your sweet cravings guilt-free. From a protein-packed punch, try our protein power snacks. Think homemade energy bars and yogurt parfaits with a twist. If you are catering to young taste buds, these kid-friendly snacks are sure to please. Get creative with snack times, from colorful fruit skewers to mini sandwich bites. These snacks are both fun and nutritious. Turn snack into edible art with snackable art ideas, from cute animal-shaped snacks to colorful veggie platters. These treats will spark creativity. Hosting a gathering, check out our party pleasers that are sure to impress your guests. Serve up finger food favorites like mini quiches and stuffed mushrooms for an unforgettable party spread. Elevate your party with a snack bar bonanza featuring a variety of toppings for build your own snack. For those busy days when you need a quick and satisfying snack on the go, we have got you covered. Discover portable goodies like trail mix and protein balls that are perfect for your busy lifestyle. If you are looking to indulge in delicious snacks without breaking the calorie bank, these low-calorie delights are for you. Satisfy your crunch cravings with options like baked zucchini chips and kale crisps, all low in calories and big on flavor. Enjoy some guilt-free sweet treats from chocolate-dipped strawberries to yogurt parfaits cup. Let's embark on an international snack adventure exploring flavors from around the world right in your kitchen. Dive into Asian sensation with sushi rolls, dumplings, and exotic fruit platters. Let's wrap up our quick tour of easy and delicious snack recipes. For more culinary inspiration, visit Blog in Good Food and blogingoodfood.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty content. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.